false allegations against Rauf Klasra, court imposes heavy fines on Mubashir Zaidi, Asad. Islamabad District Court has fined on news anchor Mubashir Zaidi and former ARY employee Asad Toor Rs 1 million for plotting against Rauf Klasra and spreading false news against his family on social media. Dawn TV anchor Mubashir Zaidi and former ARY employee Asad Toor have been fined Rs 1 million by Islamabad District Court Additional District Judge Muhammad Ali Warraich for making false and fabricated allegations against Rauf Klasra and his family on Facebook and Twitter, issued a written decision to pay damages. According to details, Mubashir Zaidi, anchor of Dawn news program Zara and Asad Toor, a former employee of ARY, had accused Rauf Klasra of getting plots from former Prime Minister Yousuf Raza Gilani during the PPP regime. Using social media, the allegation went viral on Twitter and Facebook, on which Rauf Klasra had approached the court. The Islamabad District Court sent summons to Mubashir Zaidi and Asad Toor several times, but they did not appear. Despite repeated summons by the Islamabad District Court and advertisements in the newspapers, Mubashir Zaidi and Asad appeared before the court and could not prove their allegations in court. Rauf Klasra, through his lawyer Hassan, presented all the evidence of his innocence in his favor before the court. After 2.5 years of the case, Additional District Judge Muhammad Ali Warraich of the Islamabad District Court dismissed the allegations of Mubashir Zaidi and Asad as false and ordered them to pay Rs 1 million in damages. Rauf Klasra has also filed a case against Mubashir Zaidi of Dawn News and Asad Toor, a former employee of ARY News, in the FIA, which is still pending in the FIA.